Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ready to Form Voltron build series part 1. Today we're going to work on assembling the chest. That's the only thing that's fully completed. I'm still waiting for a few parts to finish for the back part of the chest. So this might take a while to assemble. I had to break the chest and back parts into 25 pieces. I still have a couple pieces that I want to print on the front, but I'm just not sure if I really want to add those yet because it might make the top part of the chest too long. So stay tuned for more. I got these files from Nikko Industries. I will have that link in the comments below, and I will probably have it somewhere on the screen, maybe right here. Okay, as you can see, the entire chest, front of the chest, has been fully assembled. Some of the seams are not perfect, but I'm going to fix that in the post work with some Bondo and then some Bondo spot putty to help close up some of these gaps. Some of the printing wasn't perfect, like it had some rough spots, so I did the best I could. So take a look on the inside. I still have some more welding work to do on the inside just to finish securing these seams to make sure that nothing falls apart. And as you can see, everything else is pretty solid. This has some weight to it, so I'm a little concerned about like how heavy the full suit's going to be, but I need it to be strong enough that it'll last. So let's give this thing a test. It's a little snug, but there you go. It's a little snug down here, but that should be okay. So it'll bend out a little bit. And also, when I assemble the back, I'm just going to use straps like I did for my burning Gundam. I'm going to put the straps right in this groove here, and in this groove over here, and maybe right here. But I'm not 100% sure yet of how I want to do this. So this is going to take a while. I just finished a piece. It was like 56 hours long, and I was pretty impressed. And it was also, this is the Blue Lion, the one side of the top part of the shin. So it took a while to print, and I'm waiting for the other side to finish. I am about 85% done printing the Blue Lion. I started a couple parts on the Yellow Lion. I started the front part of the boot and working on the back part of the boot. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also please remember to hit the like button to let me know that you actually liked the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Also, I did get the files from Nikko Industries, and I will have that pinned in the comment below, and I'll probably have it again right here, somewhere around here. I'll figure it out later. Uh-oh. So, thank you for watching. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to assemble is the back. I have that is all printed out. I just have to get everything together and start putting it together. So this is the back part that matches right, wait, no, that's the wrong side. Right here, like that. So, once I get, that'll be part 2 of this series. And I decided that I'm going to go with the Ready to Form Voltron for the title of this build series because I believe it works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.